Hello, my name is Ben and I am Notagreatgamer, and welcome back to the very serene but slightly we're about to be slightly less serene Republic of Venice, in which you know what? We've decided that we do enjoy peaceful expansion. But you know what's even just as fun as peaceful expansion? Taking crap from our rivals. So we're going to do that. And it turns out the only reason that people were not going to go for the war that I was proposing was that I didn't have any war goals. Suddenly I threw in some war goals and people were like, yeah, let's do it. So confirm. And we have declared war. Now, something we should do, we should probably go to places like Murano and build up. We're going to want some lasers and a couple of... We're pre-building the Corvette losses that we're gonna definitely totally get. And a couple of a couple of disruptors. Let's go to Corfu as well. Oh, you're almost done with the Corvette assembly yards. Just throw in a couple more disruptors and a laser. And we'll go from there. So we're going to lose a few ships pretty quick. I'm trying to decide what we want to do. I think I might just want to head in. Yeah. Yeah, I think we just head in. And let's turn time down to fast.
Research complete.
Ooh, research complete. Habitability plus 5%. That's going to be big. We're going to play with that later. But it'll be later. Ooh, habitability plus another 5%? Yeah, but that's tough. It's a big, long... Ooh, gene tailoring. Genetic modification and environmental adaptation. Oh, so good. We're totally going to do this. We're going to do this. Gene tailoring. I can't imagine why we would do anything else. I've been waiting for this. It's gonna take 41 months. I don't care. Don't care. This is me not caring. You see this? This is my not caring face. Okay, what do we got? We have a fleet. Yep, there's a fleet there. It's a puny one too. We could take that. Or what? It says there's 18. What's a transport fleet? Ooh, that'd be even better, actually. Why don't you go attack that? Yeah, I caught that. My formidable navy is, Oh, hey. First Stellar Rectrix. You know what? Where are you going? These are the ones I want. Never mind. Just kidding. I'm not attacking you. I'm going somewhere else. Recall embassy. The hierarchy of Oros has recalled their embassy. I probably should have seen what they said, but I will in a second. They're going to... Where are you going? Going to Zara. Hey, oh, hey kitten. My cat just woke up. I think... Okay, construction ship. You are owned by Zara. That's fine. You're not my problem. Okay. Now get there. What are you doing? What are you guys doing? Are you going to leave? Yeah, you're leaving. Oh man, I think they have the same type of motion that we have, or same type of movement. Construction ship, come here. Where are you? Yeah, which one are you? Where are you? Down there. Okay. Why don't you build a mining station? And then the research station's there. Okay. Gotta keep our sectors supplied, yo. Yeah, they're running. They're running hard. was this? Oh! And the Tundrakian Confederation are little... Oh, no, no. These, the Iroquois, what are they called? Vassals, they're actually coming to help. Which is kind of a silly thing to do. Where did they go? Where'd the red guys go? Oh, I lost them in Inigor. Bet you that's what happened. Was there going to be a battle there? Nope. There, hang on. Are they leaving? Yeah, they're leaving. I don't know where, though. Can I catch these guys? Come on. There we go. Oh yeah, we're gonna land basically on top of them. And... watch it. Watch it. There we go. Oh, did they just leave? Oh, no. Man, they're quick. These guys are quick. They're just running. You know what? Fine, run. Go ahead and run. Whoa, hey, hang on. Oh, that just happened. Okay. Like, in that moment, we finished picking these guys up. Okay, so real quick. What we're gonna do is... sector. Zara sector. Come here, manage sector. Pick up this, and this, and this, and this. Alright, we're good. Aww. And these Tundrakian Confederation picked up some stuff that I wish I probably could have ended up with, but that's okay. Oh, that's right, this system is completely useless. It's utterly and completely useless. And we picked up, some interesting ships. Hang on, what is this? First Nautilus Squadron. Oh! Hey. Give me a second. Is that a science ship? Yes, it is. You know what? I don't need you guys. Don't need the science ship. Oh no, sorry, that's not what I wanted. Go... Actually, how do I just... Yeah, disband. There you go. Okay, cool. And then, what else is there? Second Nautilus Squadron. You know what? Get the crap out of there. Actually, no. Attack them. Oh, this is weird. Hey, wormhole generator. I have an idea. Why don't you go away? Okay. And then squadron. Why don't you do your duty and attack these guys? And then these guys should show up. And oh, we actually have to. Oh, interesting. We actually have to survey this area. Okay, let's watch this.
Station under attack.
Good. They're attacking something. It's not going to go well for them.
Hostile fleet engaged.
Okay, so
Hostile fleet engaged.
our torpedoes are actually hitting. Yeah, okay. Yes, our torpedoes are... Whoa, what are they launching?
Construction complete. Situation log
There we
updated.
go.
Construction complete.
merge these guys. We'll upgrade them later. We'll figure out what to do with them. Okay. Oh, they've jumped. Okay.
Station under attack.
Oh, can I, No, I can't. I was gonna say, can I, disband this thing, but I can't. Instead, you know what? Yeah, you just follow them.
Construction complete. Hostile fleet engaged.
Yeah. Which reminds me, a couple things. Spaceport Magrotosh is finished. I think a bunch of spaceports just got finished. And I am going to want to take a science vessel. I shouldn't actually have disbanded that science vessel. Because now I want to... In fact, I'm tempted to build a... No, I'm not. Galilei. No, Cassini. We're gonna move you in a sec. You're gonna do some... you're gonna check some things out for us. That's what you're gonna do. Real quick, let's take a look at battle. Fleet combat. We lost 4 corvettes and a destroyer. Let's see here. Hit ratio is higher than theirs. Evasion ratio is higher than theirs. They actually inflict... Oh, kinetic weapons. They did not inflict any explosive weapons, but I couldn't tell if they actually tried. So they're mostly using energy weapons. Okay, good to know. They did more damage than we did. Interesting. Damage to hull. Interesting.
Construction.
Are they gonna go? Are they gonna jump?
Situation
Yep.
log updated.
Oh, they're coming back that way. Interesting. And, oh, look. The platypuses are in on it. Yeah, boy. Yeah, boy. Inferior. Still just inferior. Okay, so we need to actually, like, kill these guys. Second Nautilus Squadron. Second Nautilus Squadron. Yeah. Get in on that. You might lose. That's okay. Just need you to, do your duty. Okay. I just need you to, stall them for a little bit. That's what I need. Now, what else are we gonna do? Let's take our fleets. Second fleet. Get them to Venezia. Do we want to build even more? How many did we lose? Lost 2 destroyers. Okay, so we actually want to build a couple destroyers. Yeah, let's build a few destroyers. Too bad it doesn't say which variety. Okay. Now, Murano, build me some more. Give me... Laser Destroyer, Disruptor Destroyer. Nope. Not a cruiser. Disruptor Destroyer. Corfu. Give me another one of these. Actually, no. We're building destroyers. But I'll take a few more corvettes. Let's take a few more torpedo corvettes, actually. The torpedo corvettes appeared to be doing some pretty good damage against them, so we'll go with that. Oof. We're gonna hit max on our energy credits. Hey, are these people unhappy? I bet you they're unhappy. They're not horribly unhappy, but yeah, they were recently conquered. They're not having a good time. Oh, you. Oh, that's somebody else's problem. I saw someone who was unemployed, but you know what? That's somebody else's problem. So there you go. What's this? Is that a science vessel? Oh, it's a research station. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see. What
Hostile
happens?
fleet engaged. Hostile fleet engaged.
Yeah, there we go. Boom!
Situation log updated.
Gone. I think they're gone. Trade deal with the Habsburg Confederation. Really? What was our trade deal with the Habsburg Confederation? Oh, guess not. Okay. Maybe it was migration access or research agreement? I don't know. They'll do it. They're not going to be super jazzed about it, but they'll do it. You know what? Here. Have some cash. Let's do that. That sounds great. Okay. Second Nautilus Squadron. You join up. Oh, same FTL type. Second Nautilus Squadron, you're great. Go home. And by home, I mean cease to exist. Thank you. Yes, go away. Okay. Now if I say repair fleet, what do? They go there. No. Go to Venice. Okay. Everybody meet at Venice. Okay, hang on. Offer trade deal. Okay, they'll do it. And then what's this? Trade treaty with the Habsburg Confederation is timed out. I bet you that's open borders, maybe? Yeah, civilian access. Yeah, they don't like that idea. Monthly transfer. 3 gold per month will do ya? How's that sound? Oh, you guys. Don't just do passive observation. Give me technological enlightenment. Go. Thank you. Oh, I think my cat wants to go out. At the end of this episode, I will have to let her out, but there's still plenty left in this episode, so let's start finishing these guys off. Yes, they are now officially pathetic. Now here's the real question. Do I want to start a war down here? Let's take a look. Declare war. With your... Oh yeah, they're all in it. Oh yeah, they're all for it. Ishnar. What's it called? Ishnor. Here we are. And then Nimulan. That's only 70 war score. Who all does that involve? Real quick. You are in alliance with the Hierarchy of Oros. Okay, so you're pathetic. Okay, cool. How's the Hierarchy of Oros? The Hierarchy of Oros is also pathetic. Okay, I can deal with attacking 2 pathetic people. Okay, declare war. Ishnor. These guys and Nimulan. And just because I can, probably take... Just want to make sure... Where else do they have territory? Just want to make sure that I'm not missing something in here, like Oxamon, Irem, Rangshin, or Peth. They have Kinnog, Lavasio, Hodranas. I don't know where Vanna or... Oh, it's because... It's these guys, the Hierarchy of Aras. It's Vanna and Hodranas. Okay, so it's taking all of it into account. Well, let's take Ginnog as well. Will that work? Yes, it will. Oh yeah, they're all about it. Confirm. And the reason I'm doing this now is because our term ends... Well, I'll declare it right before our term ends. I just need to remember. 2292. We got about 4 years. So let's really kick the crap out of Castile. And then go from there. And then, Cassini, come on over. I want you to... Let's see what their, Let's see what their tech was like. And then research project, and then research project. All right. And then bug me after that. Actually, don't bug me after that. Just survey these systems, because there are systems. We might as well survey them, right? Okay. Okay. Our fleets are going home. They're all going to Venice. We'll meet up in Venice. We'll do some fun stuff. We're only at 11%. Interesting. Monthly energy credits. Okay, they accept our deal. This last one, yeah. We hardly took anything. We destroyed their stuff. Okay. Did they... What happened to their cruiser? Sounds like there's sort of a cruiser that's sort of unaccounted for. Okay. Admiral Silvestro Contarini has leveled up. Oh, excellent. It's level 3. Yeah, I still got really good evasion. Okay, now let's kick this up to fastest. Oh yeah, the Teutons are all over this business. Construction ship, Branca. Which one are you again? Okay. Mining stations, research stations. Mining stations, research stations. Mining stations. Okay, go. And then, do the same thing over here. Well, bug me when you're done. Now that we're down to 207 minerals. Okay. Oh, now Da Vinci's busy. Or, not busy. Oh, okay. Yeah, we gotta get another... We gotta get settled down in here. We gotta pick this area up. Come on over here. Build some mining stations. Everybody meet up in Venice. Antonio Anafesto has leveled up. Good stuff.
Construction complete. Okay, Murano's not quite done yet. That's okay. No upgrading, but they're almost done repairing. Construction complete.
Okay, everybody's finished repairing. Okay, merge up. Okay. Now let's start destroying spaceports.
System survey complete. Debris analyzed.
Nice. Phase disruptors, plasma throwers. Oh yeah. Well, I'll take that. Phase disruptors plus 30%. We may actually nearly finish that by the time this is done. So good.
Construction complete.
Okay, let's go. It was 6,000 power fleet coming in. Plus, everybody's going to be following me. So, fun times. That's my timer. That's okay, we'll blow a couple more things up. Yeah, let's take on that, and then that, and then that. We're gonna get it all. They're probably all gonna be in the same fight, but that's okay. Oh, wow. Look at the big blue blob with their stuff. Engaged. Oh, man. Look at that.
Hostile fleet engaged.
And done.
Situation log updated. Hostile fleet engaged. Debris analyzed.
Let's take a look at something. Corfu. Oh, Corfu. Interesting. We need more people. You have plenty of food, though. Just grow more people, alright? Just grow more people. Here, have some power plant 3. Yeah, have some more power plant 3. Come on. Timed project, alright. Oh, and in Lepanto, what do you got? How much food do you got? You have a lot of food. We're just growing more people. Just grow more people. Oh, give me some more mining networks. You need to be happy. You need to be happy. Oh, you're at war. Yeah, well, that'll happen. Ethics divergence is, whoa. Encourage free thought is quite the thing. But because I have these guys joyful, they are not... They have no ethics divergence. Interesting. But I did get these guys joyful. That's something. This guy too? Yeah. Oh, yeah. We have several joyful Venetians here. You know what? Here, have a little bit of... society. No, engineering. Have a little engineering research. Okay. Okay. More fighting. More killing. Destroy stuff.
Situation log updated.
Someone just leveled up. Who is this? Severio Morosini leveled up, and Francesco Morosini leveled
Situation
up.
log
Excellent.
updated.
This will all be my territory very soon, so we're just going to actually head up to Spirum. Probably take out one of their
System survey complete.
things. Probably take out their what is that called? Their spaceport. That's worth a war score. The survey of Tropelium 4 has revealed that certain regions of the planet are home to a primitive alien proto-civilization. Our probes show that their Neolithic culture has mastered fire and developed a rudimentary spoken language, but we have yet to see any evidence of a metallurgy or written communication. First off, where is this? Tropelium. That's what I thought. It's way out here. You know, that's very interesting. And that's what we get. Wow. Look at this fleetness. Watch the fleetness. I kind of don't want to end the episode. Let's blow up their spaceport. Let's blow up all their spaceports.
Hostile fleet engaged. Debris analyzed.
Oh, phase disruptors plus 30, railguns plus 10%, carrier operations. Interesting. Good stuff. This is firing back. You'd think it would be.
Research complete.
Okay, real quick. Did we lose anybody? No, we didn't. We just got railguns. Okay, new research. Advanced railguns? Cruiser assembly yards. There we go. Here's what I was looking at. The carrier operations. Let's finish that. No, let's finish this war. Let's see what else we get on that. We'll get on that in a little bit. Maybe just go defense station. It's quick. No, that's dumb. How about we go cruiser assembly yards? Or impulse thruster. Impulse thrusters are awfully nice. Maybe advanced railgun? I don't like their accuracy. When I look at railguns, and I kind of pass over it, I don't like its accuracy compared to other things. So I think that's what I'm going to do. Real quick. Unholy Axis. 2292. Okay, we got about 3 years before we declare war on... Oh yeah, we want to declare 2 more wars, don't we? Yeah, the Koreans' fleet power is pathetic. We're just gonna get 3 different wars going before we even, you know, before we become no longer a... Oh, hey, look. This is one of those graphical glitches that they talk about. This definitely is not here. This thing, that's definitely not where that is. Yeah. Papal States, are you pathetic? Yes, you're pathetic. Okay. Does that mean that we want to... I think what I want to do is destroy their spaceports. Just go around destroying spaceports, and then split up my navy. And just, not siege, but, what's the word? Get, blockades on them. In fact, I think that may be what we do. So, split in half. And then, actually split that in half. Actually, no, don't do that. How come I can't merge? Oh, hey, what was that? Okay. Let's get them. And now that gets us... What's it called? There we go. Blockade of Spirim. That's worth 8 war score. Okay. So we will probably split our troops a little bit. Like, take these guys. And we will move these guys over next door and start blowing away some other spaceports. And then just blockade spaceports as much as we possibly can. But we're going to do that next time. Until then, you know what? I enjoyed myself. I hope you enjoyed yourself as well. And we are going to go... I think we just got to go cruiser. Cruiser assembly yards. Yeah. 34 months. Yeah, I look forward to seeing you next time.